Hello and welcome to Daily Khan. That is not for me. So today we've got a another big unboxing video. So this is for me, obviously. No, it's for my neighbours next door, but I'm with me anyway. So what it is it's a circuit board. Well, not a circuit board, but a yeah, it's basically like an addition to my electronics kit. Now, so as you can see, there's a little rip there. I'm guessing that's from when they loaded it. So as you can see, they're not fragile. If you put fragile on it, they don't be fragile with it. So let's get it right into this video, guys. So I'm not gonna. There you go. God. Right, so I'm gonna have to have a knife for this. Okay. So as you can see, it's in another parcel. Yeah, so here it is from, that's my packing slip from eBay. That's where I got it from. A big thank you to Matty is a fatty. That's actually his eBay username. A big shout out to him for let me buy this. That's just great. It's really, really good. Thank you very much, Matty. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And there it is. So there's the actual breadboard. Looks like it's had pretty good use. Oh, there's a wire in there. And here is the here's another main bit. A couple more pieces here. Don't know what they are. There's some random elastic bag there. So as I say, big thank you to Maddie for this. So let's have a look what's in here. Okay, so we got some potentiometers here. So potentiometers, if you don't know, they basically they're basically voltage controllers. Yeah, so I use like dim LEDs and all that. So oh wow, we got a nice big capacitor here. Do some more electrocutions of this. What else is in here? So we got some resistors here. I don't know what these are. I think these are diodes, maybe. Maddie, if you're watching this, what are those? We got some ICs. Well, so these are. I think that's a voltage regulator. Oh, we got some. I forgot the name of these, but another type of capacitor. And oh my god, that's perfectly good. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. There's a transistor in there. That does not go with ICs. Fly. But yeah, so let's flip it over. And you see, Maddie, there were ICs in here. There's lots of ICs. So we've got a 74LS02N. So we've got tons of integrated circuits here. Look at them. Look at them all. We've got a giant switch, which is mildly handy. Ooh, Ooh. 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 Do you guys know what this is? This is a mercury switch. That's right. There's actually a little ball of mercury in there, or it could be gallium. Well, no, it wouldn't be gallium actually. But wait, let me just focus it. As you see, there's a little ball of mercury in there. God, this is heavy. Yeah, and that is a it's a certain type of switch that basically only activates when there's so basically if it's like that, it'll activate, like that, it won't activate. But that's mercury. So that's technically illegal. Aha. Ooh, hello. There's a an LCD display here. That's it's very good. We've also got some kind of circuit. Oh, it's a solar panel. That's pretty cool. That's very, very clever, Maddie. We've got a speaker here. Don't want to touch that. We've got a bunch of motors. This one's a bit tight. Oh my god, it's a tiny little motor. That's tiny. We've got a buzzer here. We've got a bunch more speakers. We've got, oh, these are 9-volt battery connectors. That's useful. If you guys are wondering what this is a grounding thing. I don't use these very much. Well, I don't use them at all, as you notice in my videos. But as you can see, there are ICs in here. So those are so useful. It's not even funny how useful they are. But yeah, so thanks, Maddie. It looks really good. Can't wait to do some more videos on this. We've got some recording. Sorry. We got some more motors here. You get some wire strippers.
No, I need you to come now.
Recording.
Yeah, well, stop it and come now and strip your bed. Because remember, I asked you earlier. I want you to do it right now, and also the bed base. So come here, quick. All
right, guys. So I gotta go.
What Alex has to do is always more important.
So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh, just knock it off.